Alright, what's up guys? My name is Zach, and today I'm back again with another Brap-box unboxing. Now, this video is going to have a little bit more in it than usual, so stick around to the end. If you guys noticed the thumbnail, it has a little something special on it, and we'll talk about that after we unbox the Brap-box. But let's get into, you guys know it, you guys love it, the Brap-box. And if you want to order your own Brap-box, check the link in the description below. Brap-box is a Rotary subscription service that every month they send you basically a present. T-shirts, stickers, pins, and other stuff like that. There have been coupons in the past, and we got a little bit of extra stuff that I'll talk about in a little bit. But let's get to the actual Brap-box. So of course, flip it open. Let's start off with the T-shirt. We normally don't do that, but the T-shirt this month is the RX-3, which I think is super cool. And they did, I believe it's called the 10A front end. Because there's a couple different front ends that came on the RX-3, but I think this is by far the best RX-3. It's a two-door, it has a cooler front end, and I think it's really, really cool. And you got the cool retro Mazda RX-3 font on it, Mazda RX-3 Racing, so super cool. And what I really like about that as well is that Brap-box really supports rotaries. A lot of people, they're like, Rotary RX-7 or Rotary RX-8. People forget there were RX-2s, RX-3s, Cosmos, Repus, a bunch of other stuff that had the rotary in it, so I really like that Brap-box supports them as well. So going off that, we have another sticker that is the same design, the RX-3 sticker, perfect for toolboxes or whatnot. Then you get just Mazda RX-3 Racing on a little pin. I think that's really cool as well. And then, of course, your typical Brap-box air freshener, which is a new scent from the first one. So if you remember, it just said Brap-box with the logo. It's a different scent, the actual rotor. So, which is really nice, and it makes the whole box smell nice. But the cool little added-on bit is this. This, as you guys can probably read, says Jay Leno's Garage. Well, Brap-box sent me an actual box. They didn't only send me this, but they sent me this. So, inside of here is some Jay Leno car care products. We're going to talk about them, and then I'm actually going to use them. Unfortunately not on my RX-7, because my RX-7 is not here at home. If you guys follow the channel, you guys will know that it's getting a new wiring harness, wideband, tune, and a fuel pump. So, stay tuned on the channel for all that stuff later, but we'll be trying it out on our family Mazda. But let's get into it. So first of all, we have a microfiber wash mitt. This is a Jay Leno's Advanced Vehicle Care. It says www.Leno's Garage. Please recycle. Nice little microfiber wash mitt. We'll be trying that out. Just a microfiber cloth. Always good to have these. Always good to have extra microfiber cloths. And then, in here, they even wrapped it up. Jay Leno's Advanced Vehicle Care Vehicle Wash removes dirt, grime, and rinse without streaking. So it's this really thick red stuff, and I guess it's basically shampoo for your car. So it says, JLG's Vehicle Wash is a premium shampoo that is super concentrated and designed to gently lift away dirt and contaminants. For safe use with foam guns, pour 3 to 4 ounces of vehicle wash onto a premium wash pad. Spray pasteurized blast of water into your wash pad and bucket to produce suds. Carefully wash the vehicle from top to bottom, constantly applying fresh suds to each panel. Flush your mitt or sponge with trapped dirt particles. Avoid allowing shampoo to dry on the vehicle. Rinse frequently. Gently dry the vehicle with a drying towel immediately after final rinse to prevent water spots. Super, super cool. It has nice packaging, and it has this nice little nozzle. Ooh. Let's actually go out and try this Jay Leno's car care stuff. And this stuff is available on brap-box.com. Same link found in the description below to order a box. You can also order Jay Leno's car care. But let's go out and test it.
To my own song, but you came, you made me see the weight I put on me was too much, too tough to heal. I needed time, I needed to be still.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys consider ordering a Brap-box. It's really fun because once a month you get rotary stuff, and it's something cool to wear to your next meet. Maybe if you go to Cars and Coffee or Supercar Saturday, you can wear a new rotary shirt every single month, which I think is super cool. And you never get tired of designs because there's always a new one each month. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to rate the video, comment on the video, and subscribe if you really liked it. Take care, guys.